For our top focus, after the outrage over bail to the 2611 mastermind, Pakistan government has slapped more cases against Zaki or Rehman Lakhvi to ensure he remains in jail. Lakhvi has been put under house arrest for 3 months under the Maintenance of Public Order Act. This section deals with dissemination of rumours prohibiting speech that causes or is likely to cause fear or alarm to the public or which furthers any activity prejudicial to public safety or the maintenance of public order. The detention order was handed over to Adiala jail superintendent before Lakhvi's counsel could present his bail orders to the authorities. Now, in another big move, Pakistan government had reportedly decided to challenge the decision granting bail to Lakhvi in an upper court. Agency's court prosecution chief Chaudhry Azhar as saying that the bail was granted despite the trial being near conclusion. He also said that 46 prosecution witnesses had been produced in the case and 15 more are to be produced in the next 3 to 4 weeks. I have Hamza Amir now joining me live from Islamabad. Deputy Editor Smita Sharma also joining me from the capital. Hamza, I'm going to first come to you. Tell us what the defense really of the Pakistani government has been over the bail that has been given to Lakhvi.
The contention is that because of there is lack of evidence as far as keeping Zaki Rehman Lakhvi in jail is concerned, that is why his lawyer contested that he should be granted bail, and the court actually accepted that on 5 lakh rupees. But as soon as that happened, Pakistan government took the initiative and took the step forward by keeping him in detention and not actually allowing him to leave the jail, only for the fact that after the Peshawar incident, there is open threat on every education department in Pakistan, and there is also a lot of security concerns in Pakistan right now. That is why at this point of time, leaving Lakhvi open would also result in more security challenges for the government also, and that is why they said that he needs to stay back in detention. That is why he was arrested in a way that he should be in detention. But he actually, as per the law is concerned, as per legal ground is concerned, his bail was accepted by the courts on 5 lakh rupees, and he is actually a free man. So the detention is only for 3 months on security concerns, not on the concerns that India has raised that he is the mastermind of 2611 attacks.
Important point to raise there, Hamza. Right. Important point you're raising there, that it's over security concerns and not over the 2611 probe. I'm going to come back to you, but all right, Smita Sharma, Deputy Editor, also joining me from the capital. Smita, there you have Narendra Modi as well as Sushma Swaraj saying that a strong protest has been lodged with Pakistan. What are your sources telling you? What is that strong message that's been passed on?
Well, Vedika, we saw India upping the ante really from the word go yesterday, the moment that bail was in fact given to Lakhvi. Remember, Narendra Modi, whom the opposition, of course, parties had been calling upon to come and give a statement in Parliament, particularly in Rajya Sabha, on the entire conversion controversy. But today, of course, he rose up in Lok Sabha to give that statement, that strongly worded statement on Lakhvi. What we are being told is, of course, through the Indian High Commission in Islamabad, strong messages were passed on yesterday afternoon itself. Yes. To the Foreign Ministry in Islamabad, and that's why the reason that in fact Nawaz Sharif had to sort of do a lot of damage correction, course correction. But in a way, the Pakistan government also was kind of surprised and taken aback with the kind of decision of the court that came in, and they are now preparing to appeal against this in a higher court. Meanwhile, of course, the temporary detention for Lakhvi to at least go in for some sort of a damage control.
All right, Smita Sharma and Hamza Amir, thank you so much for joining us on that top story here on Headlines Today.